Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of July 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.69. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of nearly 10%. This equates to an average return of approximately 1/3 per day since its designation as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further increases ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 24.1% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 16.55% and 33.91%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 13.04%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.63% to positive 28% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 196.60 and 288.3. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Amazon Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Amazon stock price gained 1.24% on the last trading day, which was Friday the 11th of July, 2025, rising from $222.26 to $225.02. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.94%, with a low of $222.37 and a high of $226.68. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.64% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased alongside the price, signaling a positive technical trend, with a total of 20 million more shares traded than the previous day. Overall, 50 million shares changed hands for approximately $11.29 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price stands 7.22%, or $17.50, below the 52-week high, and 82.76%, or $1,080.18, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price soared to $1,305.20. Amazon is at a pivotal point as Prime Day approaches its conclusion, underscoring logistics capabilities as a crucial competitive edge. Although the excitement around these sales is palpable, Amazon stock remains largely stable. This could change as consumers respond to ongoing promotions. In another development, Amazon's collaboration with Anthropic is expected to generate substantial revenue for its AWS division, suggesting a favorable outlook for its cloud business. Morgan Stanley indicates that the $8 billion investment in Anthropic is already yielding returns, prompting market analysts to elevate price targets for Amazon stock, which may lead to an upside of 35%. Moreover, recent adjustments to workforce regulations are affecting Amazon's operations, as the company has had to part ways with some warehouse employees due to work authorization issues stemming from policy changes. While this may pose challenges to operational efficiency in the short term, Amazon remains committed to adapting. Overall, the optimistic sentiment from analysts, especially Morgan Stanley's updated forecast, along with successful partnerships, positions Amazon for potential long-term growth. This could create positive momentum for the stock as investors maintain confidence in the sustainability and profitability of Amazon's diverse business model. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a market outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Amazon an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. The Amazon stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of any downward corrections, support can be expected at $222.22 and $213.23. Should the price drop below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, May 23, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 11.96%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Alongside this, volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, from 33 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 49 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 24 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a robust volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.31, which is 1.94% between its high and low. In the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.76%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.32. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of July, 2025, Jeffrey P. Bezos executed an insider sale of 101,081 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 9th of July, 2025, Jeffrey P. Bezos executed an insider sale of 101,081 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Bezos conducted an insider sale of 384,124 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd of July, 2025, Jeffrey P. Bezos executed an insider sale of 927,863 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 7th of July, 2025, Jeffrey P. Bezos conducted an insider sale of 2,046,582 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 1st of July, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington executed an insider sale of 701 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 94.814. In summary, insiders purchased 217,235 shares and sold 8,065,788 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.96, which reflects a decrease of 3.58%. This stock experiences low daily movements, indicating a reduced level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 32 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon exhibits several positive indicators and is currently in a robust upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we believe it's a favorable option at these levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. We have updated our analysis for this stock since the last evaluation, elevating our recommendation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, July 14th, we anticipate Amazon will open lower by 33 cents and begin trading at $224.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.